I thought the typing experience was had pretty good feedback on it. I like the fact that the tactileness of the keys were actually functioning really well. For the most part, it wasn't hard to find a button, or it wasn't, getting in my way, or didn't have like a slow feedback, so I thought it was pretty good.
The keys feel really comfortable. Like you can find every key, every letter that you're looking for very easily. It's not like some keys can be confusing to find in some other keyboards, but I feel like it was really comfortable.
The typing experience was very unique. It was very smooth. I really like it. The keys were really close to each other, so they were not far apart. They felt really good, and I really like it.
The aesthetics, I think it looks colorful. It's actually the first time seeing these kind of keyboards, and I actually got to see one in person, so it's actually cool.
I would totally have the RGB light on no matter what, so whenever I'm using it, it will look really awesome like in a room. I love it.
Oh, it looks great. I love the lighting, and it's simple. It's not bulky, it's sleek, and it's always nice to have a nice setup that looks good with everything else, and the lighting always makes it look better. So,
I think if you're into gaming, you're definitely going to want to have something that's going to represent you, and especially being maybe in a lit room or maybe in like a color scheme room, that keyboard would definitely stand out.